The Hamilton Beach two-way coffee maker is a versatile machine. It offers both a full 12-cup carafe and a single-serve option. This is handy for different needs. You can brew a large pot for family or just a quick cup for yourself. The glass carafe is standard. It keeps the coffee warm on a hot plate. The auto pause and pour feature lets you grab a cup mid-brew. The black finish is simple. It fits most kitchen styles. The machine is easy to use. The controls are straightforward. It's helpful to have both sides of the machine working. It saves counter space. The information provided is clear. Thinking about the Hamilton Beach two-way coffee maker. It seems built for daily use. The durability of the machine is decent. It handles regular brewing well. The single-serve side uses pods or ground coffee. This gives you choices. The steam from the brewing process is normal. It's important to clean the machine regularly. This helps it last longer. Some users might appreciate the option for a stronger brew. It's good for those who like robust coffee. The machine doesn't have a special coating inside, but it is easy to clean. It's a good choice for everyday coffee drinkers. The Hamilton Beach two-way coffee maker creates those cozy morning moments. It's nice to have a fresh cup of coffee, especially before a long day. Many workers might appreciate the quick single-serve option. It's helpful for busy mornings. It can also bring back good memories. The smell of fresh coffee is comforting. It's important to note this machine focuses on brewing coffee. It doesn't provide specific nutrition info, but you can control what coffee you use. This lets you manage your intake. It is a good choice for someone who wants to brew coffee quickly and easily. Pros: great coffee, looks expensive, easy to use, fast brewing, quiet operation, dual use. Perfect cup every time, easy setup timer, single cup option, full pot option, good value, good. Cons: carafe broke easily, plastic taste reported, leaks after 3 months, slow brew time, hard to add water, grind overflow issue 1 tablespoon, cup ratio issue, grit, sediment in last sip, bright LED light, potential for overflowing features. Two-way brewing 12-cup carafe, single serve option, programmable, glass carafe, auto pause and pour, black color, drip coffee maker 49980R model. Easy to use. The Hamilton Beach 49980R is a versatile coffee maker that offers 2 ways to brew coffee. You can make a full 12-cup pot using the glass carafe, or brew a single cup for yourself. It's programmable, so you can set it to brew automatically. The auto pause and pour feature lets you grab a cup before the brewing is finished. It's black and easy to use, making it a good option for people who want both a large pot and a single-serve option. The Hamilton Beach 49980R coffee maker offers both single-serve and full 12-cup brewing with a programmable timer, aiming for easy use and fast brewing. While many users praise its quiet operation, dual functionality, and good value, some have experienced issues. Problems include a fragile glass carafe, a plastic taste in the coffee, leaks after a few months, and difficulty adding water. There are also reports of slow brewing, coffee grind overflow, incorrect water to coffee ratios, and sediment in the final sips. The bright LED light can be a distraction, and there's a risk of the coffee overflowing.